If you are over 50 and ignoring this, you could be setting yourself up for years of painful swelling, aching joints, and even losing your independence far sooner than you think. Most people your age are making the same critical mistakes daily and have no idea they are accelerating damage inside their legs, knees, and ankles. Every morning, you may notice your legs are just a bit puffier. Maybe your ankles feel sore putting on socks, or you get that nagging tingling as you stand up or walk to the kitchen. Some people chalk it up to aging. But what if this was your body asking for help specifically? Help it cannot get without the right foods. What if the swelling, stiffness, and weakness in your legs were all connected to something that quietly disappears from your body after 50? If you have ever worried about not being able to get around, about losing the freedom to garden, travel, or simply walk without pain, listen closely. Would you be surprised to learn that a hidden reason for these symptoms starts on your dinner plate, not just in your genes or with age? Take a moment and ask yourself, have you noticed new swelling in your legs or more stiffness in your joints this past year? And do you really know which foods support your body's most important connective tissue? I will explain which everyday foods most people ignore, and reveal the best simple foods to help boost your body's collagen naturally. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. As a health educator, I often hear the same story from those over 50. You wake up, test your knees as you get out of bed, and wonder why simple movements feel harder than before, why shoes seem tighter by evening, and why aches in the legs hang around long after sitting or walking. What few realize is that much of this discomfort ties directly to collagen, a vital protein that gives structure and bounce to your joints, skin, muscles, and blood vessels. Imagine collagen as the inner scaffolding that literally holds your body together. But once you pass 50, your collagen production drops off a cliff. By 60, research shows your body may make 75% less collagen than it did decades ago. This loss isn't just about wrinkles. It can make your legs swell, joints stiffen, and leave you feeling weaker and off balance. Millions of older adults quietly live with swollen knees or ankles, numbness in their feet, or spasms in their legs. Many blame it on old injuries or circulation alone, not realizing the collagen crisis happening inside. Even more concerning, 99% of seniors have no idea that common foods on their tables could be making the problem worse, or that certain forgotten foods could make a dramatic difference in just weeks. Today, I will take you through 8 of the most powerful collagen-rich foods, ranked from helpful to life-changing, to help you reclaim stronger legs and healthier joints. I'll show you the latest insights from studies, offer real-world eating tips, and explain how the right foods can help your body rebuild from the inside out, not just stop the symptoms on the outside. Let's get started with a food that has been unfairly criticized for years, yet is quietly loaded with the raw materials your body craves as you age. Egg yolks. For decades, egg yolks were the villain, the supposed cause of heart disease and high cholesterol. But new research now shows that egg yolks provide 2 of the most important amino acids for collagen: glycine and proline. Glycine is absolutely essential for building strong collagen fibers, essentially helping to weave together the strands that support your skin, tendons, and ligaments. Think of it like the glue that keeps everything intact. Without enough glycine, your collagen falls apart quickly, leading to sagging skin and creaky joints. Proline, also abundant in yolks, helps create hydroxyproline, a building block for tough, elastic tissues. Scientists have now observed that people in their 60s who eat whole eggs 4 times a week have higher levels of key collagen peptides in their blood. Some even report less joint stiffness and swollen legs within a few weeks of making this simple change. If you're looking for a quick morning boost, try eating your eggs soft-boiled or poached. This way, the amino acids remain intact, and you're less likely to lose the cholesterol-fighting benefits. Pair your eggs with vitamin C-rich foods like spinach or tomatoes because vitamin C acts as a catalyst for collagen production. Many seniors share that starting the day with 2 whole eggs and a handful of colorful vegetables keeps their energy steady and their knees happier during walks. Now, Let's move to a food that was once a staple but is now often thrown away. Chicken skin. You have probably heard that chicken skin is pure fat and should be discarded. But studies on older adults have found that cooked chicken skin is one of the richest dietary sources of type 1 collagen, which is the main type giving your skin firmness and your joints flexibility. Type 1 collagen is exactly what drops the fastest as we age. In a recent clinical study, seniors who ate chicken skin 3 times a week experienced improvement in the density of their body's collagen, meaning firmer skin and fewer moments of knee buckling. Remarkably, they noticed better balance and less swelling in their ankles after just 3 months. So, how should you eat it? Skip the deep fryer, which causes harmful compounds, and instead, try slow roasting or baking with the skin on. The skin becomes golden, tasty, and full of gelatin that supports tissue repair. Some people love making homemade chicken broth by simmering skin on chicken pieces for hours, which releases even more collagen into the broth. One friend of mine keeps frozen broth cubes ready so she can add them to soups or grains for a gentle, daily collagen infusion. It's an old-fashioned trick that still works wonders. The next food is hiding in plain sight on many pantry shelves, yet those over 50 often avoid it. Sardines. These small fish are not only loaded with heart-healthy omega-3s, but unlike most fish, they are eaten whole. Bones and all, their edible bones and skin are extremely high in types 1 and 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen is crucial for your blood vessels, the tubes that carry nutrients and oxygen to your legs. When your body runs low on it, you may notice cold feet, poor circulation, and weird tingling in your calves or toes. Researchers in Europe reported that people who ate sardines 3 times a week had noticeable improvements in blood flow to their legs, with reduced swelling and more flexible skin. They linked these changes directly to higher serum collagen levels and better vessel elasticity. Next time you open a can, don't toss the skin and bones. They're the most valuable parts. Try eating sardines on whole grain toast, over salads, or stirred into tomato pasta. If the flavor is too intense, a quick soak in lemon juice can help mellow it. Look for sardines packed in olive oil, not seed oils. Olive oil keeps the collagen stable and adds healthy fats. Next up is a food that is both old-fashioned and surprisingly luxurious: bone marrow. This nourishing, buttery tissue is found inside beef or lamb bones and is literally packed with the raw ingredients your body uses to regenerate connective tissue. Bone marrow offers both type 1 and type 2 collagen, plus hyaluronic acid, the natural lubricant that keeps joints and skin plump and comfortable. In a clinical study, older adults who enjoyed bone marrow 4 times a week experienced improved joint flexibility and saw swelling in their knees and lower legs shrink over 2 months. The secret is in the glycosaminoglycans, special molecules that lock moisture inside connective tissues. This helps your skin feel firmer and your joints glide more smoothly. If you want to try bone marrow, ask your butcher for marrow bones. Roast them at a low oven temperature to avoid burning, and spread the cooked marrow on toast or stir into soups for a boost of silky nutrition. Or simmer bones with a splash of vinegar to draw out the collagen and enjoy a rich, golden marrow broth, a favorite among those seeking to nourish their joints from the inside out. Now let's talk about a bright tropical fruit that most think of as just a sweet snack: papaya. Far more than a treat. Papaya contains a rare enzyme called papain. As we get older, our digestive system weakens, making it harder to break down and absorb the amino acids that create collagen. Papain acts like a tool for your body, breaking up proteins so you get more of the nutrients you need for healthy skin and flexible joints. Recent research observed that after 12 weeks of eating fresh, raw papaya every morning, older adults saw their skin look and feel more elastic, wrinkles smooth out, and swelling in their legs decrease. For the best results, enjoy ripe papaya alone before other foods, letting the enzymes go to work. Fresh is best. Canned or cooked papaya loses its magic. Some have even tried using mashed papaya on their skin. But truly, The most powerful effects happen when the nutrients are absorbed from the inside. Enzyme-rich foods like papaya can be the catalyst for better collagen turnover and improved circulation where it counts. Now we arrive at a food that may surprise you: gelatin. For many people, gelatin brings to mind colorful desserts, but real, unflavored gelatin is a powerhouse for supporting collagen. It is essentially broken down collagen, making it incredibly easy for our bodies, especially for those with weaker digestion, to absorb. The building blocks glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline make up nearly 70% of all collagen. In a clinical trial, people over 60 who added just 10 grams of pure gelatin to their diets every day saw their skin become more hydrated, their joints less stiff, and the tone of their calf muscles improve in only 2 months. Not only did they walk with more confidence, but they also noticed better balance. Dissolve a spoonful of plain gelatin in warm water, tea, or add to homemade fruit gels with fresh berries and honey. Always choose varieties from grass-fed animals and skip flavored store-bought options that can contain additives. If you miss having supple, youthful skin or want your legs to feel stronger, this simple change can be surprisingly effective. Coming up next is perhaps the most controversial food on this list: liver. Many people over 50 were told to avoid liver, fearing cholesterol or toxins. But liver, especially from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken, is a treasure trove of collagen-activating nutrients: vitamin A, copper, zinc, and plenty of glycine. Without these essential nutrients, the body cannot efficiently make new collagen, no matter how much protein you eat. A recent study comparing seniors who ate liver once a week with those who didn't found the liver eaters had dramatically higher collagen activity in their blood, plus far fewer issues with sagging skin, varicose veins, and swollen knees. If the taste of liver puts you off, you can blend a small piece into a meat sauce or soup, or spread it thin on toast with lemon juice to cut the flavor. Just a couple of ounces a week can set off a wave of healing. Small, consistent steps matter more than force-feeding yourself. Those who stick with this tradition often see firmer skin and less swelling, which is a reward well worth the effort. At the very top of this list is a true classic that has now been validated by science: collagen-rich bone broth. Bone broth is much more than old-fashioned soup. When slow simmered, bones release all the critical collagen types: gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, creating an elixir for your joints and skin. In a landmark clinical study, adults over 60 who drank a cup of bone broth daily saw remarkable improvements in skin firmness, reductions in leg cramps and pain, and even increased activity levels, all in just 2 months. Even their MRI scans showed thicker cartilage in major joints, a sign that collagen was truly rebuilding deep inside. Bone broth works best when you use grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken carcasses and simmer for at least 18 hours with a splash of vinegar to extract maximum nutrients. You'll know you've succeeded when the cooled broth turns jelly like in the fridge. Try sipping it warm in the morning or as the base for your favorite stews or soups. Avoid store-bought broths with preservatives or those that never gel in the fridge. Gentle simmering is the key. Boiling too hard can destroy the delicate amino acids you need. If you have been feeling weak, swollen, or worried about your legs, you are not alone. Most people over 50 are quietly starving for collagen without knowing it. But adding the right foods in the right way can be the turning point, helping you walk easier, feel stronger, and regain confidence in your daily life. Remember, it is not just about the foods you eat, but also how you prepare and combine them. Try gently cooked meals rather than over-frying. Pair collagen sources with vitamin C-rich vegetables, and stay patient as you give your body time to rebuild. I would love to know, have you tried any of these collagen-rich foods? What changes did you notice in your joints, skin, or daily energy? If you have a favorite way to prepare bone broth, eggs, or any of the foods on this list, please please share in the comments so others can benefit too. Your experience might just make someone else's journey easier. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical, research-backed tips for healthy aging. And don't miss my next video about the one habit experts say every adult over 60 should start this year. Thank you for spending your time with me, and remember, you have more control over your health than you think. Keep learning, keep moving, and take good care.